Today we're going to talk about exactly what to post on Instagram to make more sales. Instagram users are the highest engaged users of any social media platform, so you need to create posts that leverage that engagement. Now I'm going to show you 11 awesome examples of posts that do this really well, so stick around. Hey, my name is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. I'm an online business owner and social media marketing expert here to help you generate more traffic, get more leads, sales, and signups into your business so you can work smarter and grow faster. Now, Instagram is the fastest growing social media platform today with over 1 billion active users. It's not going anywhere anytime soon, and it's a massive force in the culture and the marketplace. Now, before we dive into exactly what you should be posting, go ahead, click the subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications, because I'm going to be doing a whole video series on Instagram that you don't want to miss. I also want to invite you to a special training on Instagram marketing for business that we have coming up soon, where we'll be diving into the exact step-by-step process to grow a targeted audience quickly. So as this video ends, click the link at the top of the description to get registered. Now, when creating content for Instagram, remember that it's a social media platform. It's not Amazon. People aren't there on Instagram to shop. They're there to connect with others, to consume content, and to be entertained. So you have to meet them where they are and don't come at them shoving your pitch in their face. You need to start by giving them the content they're looking for, with just leading with pure value. 80% of your posts should be value-based. They should not contain any type of pitch. They need to either inform, entertain, or inspire your audience. And the better you do this, the more success you'll have with the other 20% of the time when you're actually promoting something. Now I'm going to show you some great posts from brands from various industries to help unlock your creative juices and get some great content. So let's dive into those examples and show you what to post on Instagram.
We're going to start with an educating and informing your audience post. Now remember, 80% of your post should be pure value, either that educate, inspire, or entertain your audience. Now, Dr. Berg is a weight loss and health specialist. This is a great example of giving his audience a helpful tip. This is consistent with what his audience expects and is looking for. It's another rule to follow when creating your content, is that all your content needs to be consistent. Your audience you're speaking to, your offer, the info in your bio, the link that you're sending them to in your bio, all the content in your feed, it all has to make sense together. Know who you are speaking to, know what problem your offer solves, and keep that in mind as you're talking to your audience through your posts. Now, Dr. Berg here does a great job. He's providing a tip, right, for your health. He definitely knows this basic rule, and he's right on point providing value for his audience. Number 2, this is a great example of a post from Adrian for Yoga. Adrian is a big YouTuber, and this post is actually a promotional post. You wouldn't necessarily think that right away, but it is a way for her to generate leads. She's offering something of value. In this case, it's a guided meditation in exchange for their contact information. So they would put in their name and email to get the meditation, but she's also giving value in the caption of the post itself. So even though it's a promotional post, she's still leading with value. That is great marketing. Number 3, this is a great example here from Amy Porterfield. Visually, this is just visually appealing, right? It's great aesthetics. It's providing value in just the picture itself, but she also is talking to her audience of entrepreneurs about goal setting and planning. So she's leading with value, but again, it's actually a promotional post. She ends with introducing her audience to a planner that she offers and promoting it to them. Number 4, great post from Facts to Success. Their audience is people interested in online income streams, and here they're giving them some ideas on how to do that, how to create some online income streams. I love this post here. This is from Val Petty. She offers essential oils, and this is a post that is full of valuable information that people who are interested specifically in essential oils would love to get their hands on. So this is great marketing right here. Now let's move on to posts that inspire. Number 6. Now our audience, this is one of our posts, our audience is home business and small business owners. Now entrepreneurs love mindset and motivational things, right? So this is a great post for our audience. And on the right here, you can get a sneak peek at what some of the insights look like, so you can see what great info you will get from Instagram after you switched your profile to a business account. Now you can see how many people Instagram has showed your post to, how many people have engaged with it and what they did, and even where they came from. Super helpful. I'd encourage you to track this information. Just go in once a week or so and collect the information on each of your posts, as it'll be super helpful in creating content really specific to your audience that they love and that they will engage with. Number 7, great post here from fitness guru Tony Horton. I know him from years ago, the Power 90 and P90X and stuff. That's this guy here. His audience, is people looking to better themselves, people trying to be healthy. And this is a great motivational post about making the most of your life, right? Very inspiring to his audience. Number 8, awesome post from our friend Angie Galantine. She's speaking to her audience, entrepreneur-minded folks, about what struggles they are facing and pushing them to move through. Very inspiring. Great post. Now let's show some great ways that brands are entertaining their audiences. I love this one. Juggling the Jenkins. It's honestly a hilarious brand. They're super great at entertaining. Their brand is really down to earth, real life parenting and real life struggles in a very funny way. Now, again, the post itself is entertaining. It makes you smile just looking at it. But it's also promotional, and it's actually pushing people to the link in their bio. So they're giving some value, they're entertaining a little bit, but they're also pushing people to check out the link in their bio. Number 10, another post from Juggling the Jenkins, and a great example of memes. You can use memes as a way to entertain people. They really know who their audience is, and they know exactly how to entertain them. Number 11, this is a great post from Kelly Cameron, and she's showing that, this entertaining doesn't have to be laugh out loud funny, okay? To busy, overworked women, this kind of makes them smirk, and it's not a direct promotion, but it also opens a conversation about a product she's working with that she's promoting, Fizz. So it's just a top-knot kind of day. Hair's a mess, throwing it up in a bun, right? And so you're offering that level of entertainment as well.
Now, these 11 posts are great examples from a wide variety of industries. So which posts did you like best? Let me know which post ideas did you get for your own business. Let me know in the comments, guys, and we'll help you by responding back and kickstarting your ideas. Now, again, if you want to learn our step-by-step plan for getting your business booming on Instagram, click the link in the description of this video to register for our upcoming online class. We're going to show you a step-by-step process that you can start following to get more followers, leads, and sales in your business today. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and we'll see you soon.